In this video, we'll take a look at two ways to get the number of days between two dates. And when the video is over, go ahead and check out the description where I'll have all the information, as well as links to other helpful Excel resources. Let's get started. So here I've got two different dates, and we want to get the number of days between these dates. So we got one from this year and one from last year. So we want to get the days between these. So I'll hit equals, and then I'm going to click on the closest date, and then I'm going to hit minus, and then I'm going to hit on the furthest date. So we've got D7 minus D6, and there we get 439, which is the number of days between these dates. Should you need this value in a complicated formula, you'll want to use the days function. So hit equal, and then we're going to use the days function, and it's going to need the end date. So we'll click on the end date, and then we're going to click on the start date after adding the comma. So we'll have the two parameters. Then we'll finish out the parentheses and hit enter. And you see we have the exact same value. So if you do need this value in a formula, this would be the way to go using the days function. Well, that's it for this quick tip. Of course, if you enjoyed the video, go ahead and like, and if you want to be notified of future videos, go ahead and subscribe. Thanks for watching.